Hello traders, how are you? My name is Vladimir Ribakov and this is my prediction, review and forecast for the Euro Pound for the month of November. My analysis is based on the cycle that this pair create, and if we take a look on the weekly chart, the reason I go for weekly is because it actually gives me the understanding where the current money flow is and what I should be trading. So I can clearly see here we have 1, 2, 3 triple cycle with a false break happening right on the top, followed by bearish divergence. That's a monster call from the pair to start its bearish move. Now, according to that, we could expect the 50% to be reached, which ironically or not, is taking us back to the Brexit zone, 08150. Or at least I would aim to the bottom of the range, which is the 38.2. Now, observing the weekly chart gives us the bearish direction. Observing the daily chart, we can clearly see that this pair is coming closer and closer to critical levels, and these levels are right here and here. So what could happen, and most likely would happen, is we have the cash rate decision in Britain. They are expected to increase the rates. They most likely will, according to the recent CPI and other data was published in the UK, which would contribute to the UK forces, of course. But the main factor here would be what they will hint for the future. If they will show and say that there are more hikes to come on the coming future, then it will be great for the pound and great for the euro pound to continue lower. If they will say we raise, but game is over as for now, that could be the sign of the reversal. And in that case, I would be looking for possible reversals towards the 089 zone, up to 090 zone before switching bearish again. Okay. Now, what kind of evidences can we have for the buy on the short term? It's pretty easy. We drop to 4 hour and 1 hour simply because we involve here with weekly and daily cycles. And what we need to see is, first of all, a bullish divergence, which is happening and building up on the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart. Now, what we do need to see next is basically a convergence principle. So we need to start and create higher highs. Since the last relevant high on the 1 hour chart is only here, what we might have here as alternative to the bullish side would be 1, 2, 3 little waves on the rally, 2 waves down, and a breakout. If that happens, we are into a bullish correction. Alright, so that's the 2 ways Mr. Market can actually behave here. Other possibility is that we are turning down here, making a false break, another false break on the top, and create kind of a range here. And then we should be looking for possible evidences, bullish evidences, for the short-term correction up. As long as we don't have any of these evidences to the upside, the short-term upside, every rally is considered as an opportunity for a sell. Exactly like we have had here on the 2 waves to the upside and a break of the trend line, and as we've had on this range movement, sell every rally that we had after that. So the bottom line is that according to the news to be published in Britain and design the following move, we will see if the euro pound is about to bounce from the 61.8, which is around 087. We are next to there, and that's why these levels become relevant. Or is it about to continue all the way down after the rallies towards 085, 084, and then maybe all the way to 0.8150. So that's my 2 cents and my view for the euro pound for the month of November to come. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Vladimir Ribakov from Traders Academy Club. Thank you very much.